We're looking at how to fix an issue with Code Runner in VS Code. Code Runner allows you to easily run Python programs at the click of a button just with the little play sign. So let's have a look at some issues that I had and how I fixed them. So let's get on with it, shall we? So as you can see, I've got numerous different installations of Python, and what it's doing is it's causing conflicts when I try and do a pip install. So if you've not got an alias set up in your bash or your vim profile, you will need to type python 3 -m pip install -- upgrade pip. Once you do that, we'll move on. Oh dear. So is this a problem with pip? Is it a problem with Python? Problem with Code Runner? Let's investigate. Okay, so there are two likely places where there may be an issue with the Python version. One is actually within VS Code itself, and the other one is within your shell. So if you're running Mac, you'll need to edit zshrc file, which I'm doing here on my Linux machine. You may need to edit your bash RC if you're using bash as your default shell. And I'm just going to scroll down and check my aliases here. If you've not done this before, just search for how to create an alias in Linux or Mac. So I'm just going to check my 3.10, well, check that Python 3 goes to Python 3.10 binary. Good, so now it seems that pip's happy. Fully installed, successful. So what's next? Let's have a look. So I'm just rerunning the command that Code Runner created for me. Code Runner produces the command line arguments, and you can see tabulate usr bin python 3.10. usr bin python 3.10 does not exist. It looks like a path. So this is where you need to check whether you're running python usr/bin or just bin. So what I'm going to do here is just update this line for Python 3, and Python 3.10 lives in bin, not usr bin. Source it again, and it's worked. No error message, which is exactly what we wanted. So now let's see if we can run it from Code Runner. So we've got the red squiggles under this line, and it means I think that there is a problem with paths again. So it's linting but giving an error. Let's just look at how tabulate works. I'm just going to put in the full code to run an example from tabulate's website. And then we will test it and fix the linting error. Okay, unable to import tabulate. We know it can, so this is a linting error. So what we will do is we will investigate that and try and suppress the error. I'm just double checking here I've got the syntax right, and running Code Runner with the little arrow, which works. So the code's right, Code Runner works. View problem. Import error. So sometimes these errors are not actually errors, it's that the linter is looking in the wrong path. So Stack Overflow will help us with this. Let's go. So as per the answer on Stack Overflow, I'm just going to paste in those 2 lines and hopefully they will suppress the error and we will have an error-free program. Okay, let's test it and see if the error's gone. Yes, it has. So we've successfully solved 2 issues. We've solved the pip Python path problem and we've solved the pylint problem. So hopefully this has been useful and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up because of the algorithms. YouTube loves its algorithms and helps me create more videos if you give it a thumbs up and all that. So yeah, see you in the next video.